Wendy Close here at CLS Financial, here talking about the peace of mind mortgage planning. What we're talking about today is credit solutions. When you apply for a mortgage at CLS Financial, we will do a tri-merge credit report for you. We will look at TransUnion, Equifax, TRW, and really go into the credit in detail with you, make sure you review it, and make sure everything is accurate. Now, if something's not reported accurately, we want to know right away. We want to help you fix that, and we want to help improve your score. Now, if, for example, your credit score is at a point where it may not give you the best rate or help you qualify for a specific program, we're going to look at strategies and ways to help you improve that score. Now, let me make something clear. We are not credit cleanup specialists, but we do have a lot of experience and we understand how the credit scoring model works, and we know the tips that can help you improve the score, and we have ways to help you get your score improved in a shorter amount of time. So contact CLS if you want to know how we can help you review your credit in detail, see how you qualify, and see if there's any way that we can help you improve it to get you the best rate, the best deal, and the best solution. Thanks so much.